Hello, and thank you for your interest in this course. Hi, I'm Steve Ballinger. I'm the creator and instructor for the course. I've been in management positions for many decades, and as part of that, I've looked at thousands and thousands of resumes and CVs, interviewed hundreds and hundreds of candidates, hired many great people, and I've learned all sorts of different tips and techniques along the way, and things that I've used in my own job search that I've used to, advance my career as well, too, from entry level all the way up into an executive position. And in this massive and complete course, I want to share all that information with you. I want to share what it might be like from the other side of the desk and how you can apply things in your own job search, and these tips and best practices and tools and techniques and everything you need to be successful in your next job search and get that job that you desire and that you want. And if you are underemployed or unemployed or looking to change careers, or you just want a new job or a new opportunity, or maybe you're real unhappy where you're at right now, that's okay. This is the right course for you. Let's take a quick moment to look at all the items we cover, and it's a lot. Okay, the course is designed so you can go straight through from the beginning to the end, but it's also designed that each section has its own lessons underneath it, and that you can jump right to a section right away if that's what you need. If you've got a job offer, like right now, you can just jump right to that section. Or you want to work on your LinkedIn profile or resume, you can jump right to those sections. So in the course, as far as how it kind of flows and it builds on each other, we'll talk about how to build and get you ready for a job search, knowing your strengths, skills, those different things. Job boards, aggregators, and things about how to be found online so recruiters can find you, and setting up keywords and stuff on your profiles and stuff, and then also how you can go out and find jobs directly too as well. We'll spend a great amount of time, it's almost a whole course, it is a whole course within a course, building a LinkedIn profile. 87% of recruiters use LinkedIn to search for job candidates. So, having a great profile that stands out and can be found through these computer searches and through these recruiter searches, super critical, and we show every step of the way on that. We get into job applications, we get into resume and CV design and how to create one that gets you noticed and gets you past computer screening so you can get to those interviews. How you can strategically use a cover letter even, and how you can use an executive summary built into that cover letter to stand out. It's optional, but it's a great way to stand out. Employment testing, things from personality tests, cognitive tests, emotional intelligence tests, to even case study tests. We talk about how that works, how to work through that, and particularly in the case study part, we have a methodology that I'll share with you that'll walk you right through into how to handle these common case type questions and to work through that. Background and reference checks, we of course get into that, and particularly we talk a little bit about if you maybe have something a little questionable in your background, how to address that, should you address it, how do you do that? Job interviewing, which is the heart of the job search, certainly can trip many people up, so we'll get into job interviewing, and then we have next steps, action steps, and a bonus step at the end to wrap up the course. And as you can see from the call out with job interviewing, that's a whole nother massive course within this big course. So we get into everything to get you ready for job interviews, get you confident, get you ready to answer any question that can get thrown your way, from tough questions to the common questions to even illegal or borderline questions. You can see the list here of some of the things that we might talk about. And as part of that, I will share questions with you, and then I will answer that question, what the employer is kind of looking for, and I will demonstrate how to maybe answer that question. Then you can take that and then tailor that answer or some of the parts of that answer to your own particular situation, so you never have to fumble with an interview question ever again. I know searching for a new job can be stressful and challenging, and that's why in this complete course I give you all the knowledge, techniques, tools, supporting materials, everything you need to be successful, from free design websites outside that you can use to design your resume and CV, to other kind of neat little tips and tricks that you can use to help you in your job search and make this as easy a process and effective a process for you as possible. Because at the end, and you'll learn this in the course, at the end you have all the power. That's the thing you can look forward to, because at the end you'll get a job offer, hopefully multiple job offers, and then you can choose. Then you can negotiate around salary and benefits, and we'll show you how to do the negotiation as well. And then you have all the power, and then you can decide what's best for you as far as your career and your own happiness. Lastly, there's two great things about Udemy that are just really terrific I like. One is they have a 30-day money-back guarantee. I want you to love the course, but if you don't, return it. Get your money back, no problem. Secondly, the great thing about Udemy is you own the course for life. That's terrific, particularly with something like around job searching and all that, because most people have like 12 to 15 or more jobs in their career anyway. So when you want to make a change in the future, this course will always be there and you can always come back to that. Or maybe you're interviewing for a promotion. You can come back to the interview section and watch that part. So the course is always there for forever for just that one low price you'd pay for it today. So you really have nothing to lose and everything to gain to make this great change in your life and move forward. So what's the next step? Just click the button to enroll and get started. Thanks so much for your interest, and I look forward to seeing you in your first lesson.